Hello guys, today I have here Barbasol shaving cream. It is labeled thick and rich shaving cream. This is the original one, and I am going to be sharing my experience with this product and also how I believe that it is probably the best shaving cream out there. So this is the 14.75 ounce bottle, 418 grams. And I'll show you guys the bottle so you guys can see sort of the design. See in the back it has a little description, directions, tips, ingredients. It's very simple looking. It is made out of tin. I don't know if you guys can hear. And it has, so maybe if you leave it around and you have kids, or just so you don't forget and you just squeeze on it right away. It does come with like this lid here. It's navy blue and it's plastic. There you go. I like this because it's not like, it just doesn't come with like a big like lid. Just it's so quick to use. It's so small, the lid. It's not really hard to lose because it's really made for this and stuff. And then it comes with the little push button, and then it comes out through right there. Like I said, this is the original bottle. Now this shaving cream, personally I like very thick shaving cream, just because I like it. I prefer a little to go a long way, and not only that, but I just feel like it protects my skin more from cuts or just leaving smoother skin. I truly do believe that shaving cream does help leave your skin underneath whatever you're shaving very, very smooth. Now I think this one was originally meant for like men when it came out a very long time ago for their beards. But I think over the years, people just, women or just men start using it for other things and stuff like that. And I know that there are a lot of women shaving creams out there that, have these like nice scents made specifically for women, or it's supposed to be more for sensitive skin, meaning for women and stuff like that. But I just personally love this because I feel like it already like attaches to like my sensitive skin. I don't think that if I get one that says sensitive skin, it'll be any different from this, just because this is so thick and the cream is so rich. Like, I will be showing you guys how I use this. It's just so thick, and I just truly feel that like as a woman it wouldn't make any difference if I got any other brand that was for sensitive skin or just meant for women. Now this, I have not traveled with this. I think what I've done with this is probably put it in like in a little plastic container you can get anywhere really, or sometimes like reused containers you have from anything you use, and I just put a little bit in there. Honestly, I just feel like this is a little too big to carry on with me, There you go. And I'm gonna be showing you guys the texture of it first. I mean, you're supposed to shake it first, but you see I didn't even shake it and it came out very rich right there. You guys can see that, how it's so thick just from that little like squirt, like, and I didn't even shake it, and it's just so creamy and so rich. Literally a lot goes a long way when I mean it. Look, I literally went like that and there's still so much, like it's just so much. You guys see it, literally I can like put this nearly on my whole arm and it'll probably just shave everything right off. Shave both my arms and my legs, by the way, in case you guys are wondering what I use it for. That's what I use it for. My husband also does use it for his trimming. He says it's very smooth on the face as well. There you go, just so you guys can see the texture. And I'm going to be showing you guys how, you apply a little bit of water. And you know what? I've sometimes been in a rush and I'm not in the shower, and I just forget to like shave my legs or something on a night out, and I will put like the smallest bit of water and just go right at it. I have no cuts, and I truly do believe it's because of the shaving cream, because I've used different types of razors, so I'm sure like the razors I'm using are also good, just because I don't have really worn out razors, but I believe that's truly because of the shaving cream. Like, sometimes shaving creams really do need a lot of water to kind of work, and with this I feel like you just don't, because it's so thick and it just protects you without like unnecessary, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna be how, like, just how smooth it literally left it. No cuts. You know, I barely used any water. I even let my thing dry up a bit when I got a little bit of water on it. And it's just very, I just truly believe it. Softer, like, thing afterwards. You know, it's almost like an aftershave as well. It doesn't say that on the thing, but that's what I believe it's also like. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys got something out of this and learned that, you know, Barbasol, it has been a brand for a while now, and it definitely, you know, I definitely recommend it to men and women for, you know, whether you shave your body or your face. It definitely was made for your face, so it's even better if, you know, if you use it for your body, because that means it was made with extra, like, care and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching.